So for the second part of this project, I chose to continue with the company of Maxi and to continue to compare the conditions for a cashier. So I will compare the steps in an effective performance management system of the Chapter 7, Managing Employees' Performance, and the compensation structure of the Chapter 8, Reward and Recognizing Employees. So to begin, the Human Resource Department has some responsibilities to do and some steps to follow. The first step is to clarify the work to be done by identifying the accept outcomes and determining how those results will be measured. So at Maxi, this steps is used to show your role in the company, how you will use the cashier, and when you will be experimented, how to fill the reports. The second step is setting goals and establish performance plan. Sometimes all the cashiers have to attend a certain number of donations for the Fondation des Enfants PC. So this is used in a real life situation as well as this step 1. The third step is regular and frequent coaching. So it is to help employees to reach goals when they have difficulties to reach them. At Maxi, employees have a great access to success, and the supervisor are available to fix difficulties. The fourth step is conducting a formal review of performance. This steps allows a supervisor and employees to consider the employee's accomplishments. So this is the first differences that I noticed from the book, because at Maxi I don't have regular feedbacks on what I did correct or wrong. When you make a mistake, manager will tell you how to not do it again. But when you do something good, there is not allowed of a review on it. So the last step is recognizing and rewarding performance. So there is four points at this step, such as being considered for a promotion, being given the opportunity to work on a special project, being praised by the supervisor, being profiled in the business journal about a particular achievement, or receiving an award of excellence. This is another difference between reality and theory, because none of those four steps are an actual promotion at Maxi. The steps to an effective performance management systems that managers must follow are not necessarily the same in the book than in the real life. So to continue, each company pays their employees by different ways. So the wage rate possible are hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. At Maxi, we're paid in function of the number of hours that it's planned for us, so it is a kind of hourly wage. The theory says that an hourly job is a system that gives money to the employees in function of the number of hours that the employee is working. So be paid daily is no matter how long it takes you to do the job, you are paid at that price, and there is not going to be a change of the amount. Weekly is that you have the amount of dollars for the entire week, and you have to do your work during the week. It is also the same systems for the month, the monthly wage. The theory doesn't talk about overtime, and this is the difference between reality. When you are paid daily, weekly, or monthly, even if you do 40 or 70 hours, the salary will stay the same. There is no additional overtime pay. So at Maxi, employees are paid hourly, and they have access to overtime. So it means that if you cannot leave because the number of customers is too high, you will be paid for the number of minutes that you work in addition of the numbers of hours that were put in the schedule for you. So also, all cashiers are paid with the same salary. So even if you are here from the last 3 years, you will have the same salary as the new one that arrived a week ago, for example. It is not possible for you to get a raise, but there is a one way. So it's to be promoted manager or to be an assistant. So in conclusion, there is difference between the theory in the book and the real life job. Maxi follows nearly the theory. So this company wants to improve their employees' performance, wants them to give results and helps them to achieve their goals. Maxi also wants to teach them to work hard for money because in life there is no result without effort.